Hello guys, welcome to my first ever video. So this time I am covering how to make custom guns using ACS Engine 2.0. So let's start without any explanation. First type in ACS 0.2, drag in the mobile support, ACS 2.0 mobile support inside the studio. Then after putting it inside your studio, you'll have this folder. Put everything it says in its place. I'm not going to talk much because I'm only going to use the things that I have been given. So it's gonna take some time depending because I have used a resolution too big, so I can't expect anything. So after you ungrouped everything, the two main things that we are gonna use is the replicated storage ACS engine, the starter pack tools. Also pull up an ACS gun template to make sure it works. I have some typing problems, sorry. Get the one from the Lucas Admire. I'm not going to give anything in the description though, so rep. So I'm going to just take a gun for example. I'm gonna take out a gun from here. So just take a gun. This is problematic because I was not permitted for this. So now I finally got a gun. So this is how the gun looks. Full time mag and mesh part. Everything's literally unloaded, man. The hell is with this? Game part. So main. You don't need that. Main not needed. So I guess my internet is bad. Uh-huh. So the gun is not loading in, damn. So the mesh parts are for these. We have the mag. Literally no way. We don't have a thing to hold. No way, man. I'm just making a part. Never mind, it loaded in. This mesh part just does it. We have the mag, bolt, and this. We have the bolt also, so we don't need any bolts. And no slider. Oh yes. We don't have any slide. So to make a slide and fix the ACS engine, just get in a part. Make it size of 0.1 and then just put this part inside right here. Name it slide, no slider or anything like that, because it will not work otherwise. I'm warning you, it will not work. So be careful when using this. I don't recommend messing with it any much. If you're a kid or some type of it, and if you're an adult developer, W, make it like one. And just right here, making it like black. See, now that we have this on our side, right here, super send like this, There we go. Just reset the part again. Press F2 and just name it slide. Put it inside the gun. And we're good to go. And where's the aim part? Which is right here. So you're seeing it. We are done. Name it the gun you want it to be. I don't know what's this. I'm just gonna name it I don't know. And inside the ACS gun template, remove all of these. We don't need these. Just the two and just name it the one you named it. I don't know. Just take your gun model inside ACS engine and gun models and this tool and start a pack. So you need the slide. It's important to make the gun work. And there we go. We have a gun. That doesn't work, literally. So to fix that, we need something that works, like the handle being gripped. We don't need this handle because it is bad. And we don't need the main part also. The slide right there, the aim part right here. Literally, I am done. I'm taking in the HS1 template again. To fix what I did was the bolt, have the aim part, which has the NV aim. This doesn't have it. Attachment, that is here. But we don't have it in this aim part, other one, so we are going to copy the origin position of it, take this aim part, put the origin position here. So now that we have that there, put it inside, I don't know. And then take out the other aim part. We have the handle now. And yes, we didn't have any of these in our gun. So take it all out. Just need a handle to be in the handle's place. So please go to the place you love. And yes, if you don't have any gun sound for this, rip. It's not gonna work. You need the gun sounds, everything that requires guns to work. So you have the handle in also, put it inside, I don't know. And the bolt, we have it. Yes, make sure to take this inside this. Do it this. And then the tool, I don't know. So after naming it, we're good to go. Put this in starter pack. And put this in gun models. So now let's try it out. We got our custom gun, yeah? And yes, I literally forgot to fix the handle. You gotta move it like 90 degrees to this side. And make sure to also move the aim part or it's gonna just creep it out. And your gun is going to fly away. If you don't want that, then just move them 90 degrees and you're good to go. Okay, never mind. I made the gun literally go the opposite way. Oh no, man. Okay, this should work now. Okay, now we have the gun fixed. So It works. A little down. Make the hair go a little. Should be right, don't know. Now we have it. Yes, it looks good. Yes, you can open these doors. This is already it. So it works. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.